Where is Baby Ruth? Can you show me where Baby Ruth is? Where's Baby Ruth? Okay. Hi, Baby Ruth. Where is Ati? Who are they? Who are your friends? Who is this? Ati Faith. And this is? Who is this? It's Ati JC. Okay. Oh, you play with them na.
Come back to princess. Oh, and shadow. This one. And this one. Oh, open it. Come back to princess. Come back to princess.
What happened to Baby Ruth? Do you need my help? You ask Mama for help.
I do that.
You can do it.
Yes.
Okay, but what happened to Baby Ruth's head? What are you doing? What are you playing now? How about one should be watching TV, one should be cooking, and the other is cleaning? You know. Who's this? Ate JC? Ate JC is cooking. Baby Ruth, you're going to do the laundry. You do the laundry. And then one is cleaning. Cleaning the bedroom. Where's the bedroom? There. Okay. Where are your friends? Why are you all outside? You get inside the house.
No.
Why?
I want to go.
Wanna go out?
Yes.
Why?
I want to go upstairs.
You want to go upstairs? Oh, you go upstairs. Dali.
Okay.
You go to the bedroom and you go to the living room.
Bye-bye, Mama. Bye-bye, Mama.
Good night.
Bye. Mama. 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 Ah. Ah.
Close the door before you go upstairs. What are you going to do upstairs? What are you doing? What are you doing? I thought you're going to to clean. You're going to watch TV? Oh, you say good night.
Baba and Mom.
You're playing basketball?
Yes.
Ooh, okay. Playing basketball.
Oh, snap. Snap. Snap and basketball. I want to go in house.
Okay, wanna go inside the house?
Yes.